Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to another one of our videos. This week we're going to be showing you all about our favourite camping app, Wikicamps. Wikicamps is the most popular camping app for campers and travellers in Australia. It can show you not only where camps are, but it can filter out things like points of interest, where hot showers are, where you can get water, paid campsites, free campsites, where you can allow dogs, and lots more. So we're just going to show you a little bit about how we use the app and what we like about it. So we've also got a giveaway throughout this video, so just keep watching if you want to win a Wikicamps app for yourself. We're just going to quickly take you through how we use this app to find campsites that we like. We try to find campsites that are free. We love free camps, and we also like to find camps that will allow us to take our dog. First thing I recommend doing is going to offline content, and you can actually download maps so that when you don't have service, you're actually able to find those campsites and get directions directly to there. So you can just go on and download for the state or the area that you're in at the time. The site list will show you the sites that are closest to you, and as you scroll down they'll get further and further away. If you go to the site name and type something in, then you'll be able to find any sites that come up with that name. So once you find a site that you would like, you can actually click on it and it will bring up the site details. You can see the star rating up the top, so you'll be able to see how many stars on average people rate the site. You can favourite it by hitting the love heart. It'll give you the type, address, phone and website if it has one. In features, there'll be a whole list of icons that will show you exactly what's at the site. For example, if it's a paid campsite, if it allows pets, if it has toilets, showers, tables, service for your mobile phone, 240 volt, if it allows camping, camper trailers, caravans, if it has en-suites, all of those types of things. If you click on the comments, you're actually able to leave comments in this section, and sometimes you'll find comments from people that have recently stayed. They'll give you a bit of an idea what it's like. Sometimes there'll be reviews there that might have a few thumbs down, which usually means that it's not a very valid comment. So sometimes people might be commenting on the wrong campsite. So that's a really good way to see if the comment is actually relevant to that particular campsite. Moving across to prices, that's where people will list how much it costs. So it'll say, for example, 2 people per night, $20. So you have a really good idea of how much it's going to cost you to stay in that spot. And then across to photos, so people can upload photos of their stay, and it's a really good way to see exactly what it looks like, what the sites are like, how big it is, and the area before you actually make the trip out there to stay. So on the site details, if you actually scroll down past all the icons, you'll see a location section, which will actually show you where that particular camp is on the map. It'll give you the coordinates and the distance from you currently. And if you click on Get Directions, that will show you directions from where you are to that particular campsite. The next view that's really handy is the map view. So if you click on View Map from the main menu, the blue dot is obviously where you're at the present time. From there you can filter what you'd like to see. So up on filters, the filters that we like to use are site types and features. You can click show campgrounds, caravan parks, hostels, day use areas. We like to choose all the site types and dogs allowed. So then if you go back, you can see all of the sites that allow dogs, which really helps us when we're choosing where to camp. There's also a feature that you can use where you can add your own site. So you can click new site up the top on the right, and you can actually add whatever you like. So if you've come across somewhere nice, you can add it for other people to find. The other feature we use a lot on this app is the trip planner. So with the trip planner, you can actually create a trip, call it whatever you like, and you can put different spots that you'd like to stay along your path. So from any site you can add to planner, and you can put your date in or any notes. When you click on the trip planner icon, you can see all of the different camps that you have, all in order, the distance between each one, and then you can click on each, edit, move the dates, add some notes, or edit the order that you'd like to visit those things in. So there's lots of other different features on here, such as checklists, chat forums, and things like that. that we ourselves haven't yet used, and Wikicamps actually have a lot of really good tutorials on how to use the app. The other really great thing about Wikicamps is they're super helpful. So there was a couple of things that I wasn't sure about, and I contacted them on Facebook Messenger, and they come back to me within a day with the help that I needed to figure out how to use a certain feature of the app. One of the things I got stuck with was the route planner. I wanted to be able to view my route without seeing all of the icons. So for example, this route here, if you type in a jumble of letters up the top and search that, it'll actually show you the route without all of the icons in the way, so you can clearly see the direction you're going without things interrupting that view. Thanks so much for watching. We've actually got a giveaway for you, so if you would like to win a Wikicamps app for yourself, on our Facebook video, if you comment a picture of your favourite place in Australia and share our post, we will choose someone to win a Wikicamps app. So huge thanks to Wikicamps for giving us this to give away. We'll announce the winners on the post and contact the winners directly from there. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one.